Alright guys, it is Wednesday, October 4th, 2023 at 5:45 a.m. Alright, let's take a look at Bible verse, daily verse of the day. It says, "For our light and momentary troubles are achieving for us eternal glory that far outweighs them all." 2 Corinthians 4:17. Alright guys, let's go to the National Hurricane Center. We have Phillippe right by Puerto Rico. Tropical storm Phillippe has sustained winds of 45 miles an hour or 40 knots, minimal central pressure of 1004 millibars, located at 20.5 north and 65.5 west, movement northwest at 8 knots or 9 miles an hour. Let's take a look at the track for Phillippe. It is going to possibly go north and possibly affect Maine and parts of Canada. So it's going to be affecting the north eastern coast. At 45 miles an hour right now, it will be a storm once it falls on Maine and Canada, and it will be a depression at 2 a.m. on Monday as it reaches deeper into Canada. So it is not a fish storm. Alright, let's take a look and read the tropical storm Phillippe key messages. It says heavy rainfall from Phillippe is expected to produce scattered flash flooding across portions of the United States and British Virgin Islands through today. Gusty winds are likely to continue across portions of the northern Leeward Islands and the Virgin Islands through early today. The risk of increasing for tropical storm conditions to cross or occur on Bermuda late this week. Interest on Bermuda should monitor the progress of Phillippe, and tropical storm watches could become required for the island later today. You see here a map of Puerto Rico with some possible flooding or a lot of rain happening on the eastern side of the island. Let's take a look at Puerto Rico flooding. There is some flooding. The airport in New York happened. So now there's flooding in Puerto Rico, but it is not like New York. It is mostly rivers. It is not too much. It says Phillippe to produce rain through Thursday, United States and British Virgin Islands, and 4 to 8 inches maximum of 12 inches. Puerto Rico 2 to 4 inches. This rainfall is likely to result in scattered flash flooding. Alright, so Puerto Rico heads up. Let's take a look right now at the satellite image of Puerto Rico. As you see, the eastern side of Puerto Rico is being affected by Phillippe. You see it halfway through the island already, and part of the Virgin Islands as well. So Phillippe is affecting Puerto Rico. Alright guys, let's go to home. We also have the GFS inside 5 days. A seasonal change of winter season cometh. So apparently there could be snow happening in the northeast. October 8th, as you see here. Some snow possibly happening in parts of New York, and some as well in parts of Western Virginia. Alright guys, don't know how accurate this is gonna be, but the possibility is there for snow. Alright, also we have today the FEMA emergency nationwide emergency alert test for October 4th. Test messages will be sent to all TVs, radios, and cellular phones. So I believe it is around 2:20 in the afternoon that the emergency broadcast is supposed to happen. But I've been hearing as well that it could be at 1 o'clock. So I don't know exactly when the emergency alert will go out, but sometime in the afternoon. Make sure you guys are aware that all phones are going to be sounding that alarm. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. God bless.